Okay, welcome to another video of Around My House. Today we're going to work on our workbench to clean it up. This will be a really short video. We're going to take it from what you see here to this. And I'll show you what I do to clean it up. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get rid of the mess on top. Alright. Now I wish I could take credit for this idea, but a friend of mine showed me this. What I've done here is I've put this postal paper on my workbench to keep it clean. And it's great because once it gets all stained and dirty and greasy and everything, you just pull off the old one and put down the new one. We'll fast forward through all of this. You don't have to watch the details, but I'm going to take the old one off, just using a little bit of painter's tape underneath to hold it in place. This should be about it. How pristine the wood is, because after I built this, I immediately covered it. And what I'll do is, for these things that are in the way, I'll just do some cutaways for them. Get our handy dandy blade, and I'll just roll out some of this material. Give myself a new straight edge. I'm just going to bump my hand up against this roll and just kind of, there we go. And then figure out how long I need to make it. There we go, not that much, and about that much, and we'll go out another couple inches. I'll just cut that stuff from the edge. Then what we'll do to make it easier is we'll flip it over if it wants to curl. Start on this end. Painter's tape and start locking down the ends. I'm going to get an idea of how much overlap I've got on each side. I'm going to make sure it's relatively even. I'm going into cockeye. Let's come that way a little bit. And then let's button down the other end. I've got way too much here, so I'm going to cut off some of this excess. And pull it tight, fold it over, tape it down. Just like that. We got a nice clean workbench. Anyway, hope this helps you. Again, I wish I could take credit for it. The other nice thing about this paper is you can actually write on it. So like if you've got a measurement or you need to draw out an angle or something, you can actually write on the surface, and then when you're done, you just throw it away. All right, if you liked it, please hit like, subscribe. If you have any comments, let me know. Thank you for watching Around My House.